Sahasra. Sahasra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Hi, Sahasra.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah, Nana. See, now I want you to explain me. What is a circle, beta?
Yeah, ma'am.
What is a circle? What is a circle, Sahasra? Can you explain me about a circle?
Yes, ma'am. A circle is a closed shape made up of curved lines.
What is circle?
It is a closed shape, ma'am.
Say again, Sahasra, say again loudly.
Circle is a closed shape made up of curved lines.
Okay. Nana, do we have any radius and diameter in a circle? Will it be there
Yes,
in
ma'am.
that? Yeah. What is the difference between radius and diameter, beta?
Ma'am, diameter is twice of the radius.
Beta?
Diameter is twice of the radius.
Why we have to, why you are saying it's the twice of radius? Diameter is twice of radius. Can you explain me that?
Ma'am, for example, ma'am,
Yes.
for example, here radius is 7 centimeter.
Okay.
Diameter is 2 into radius is equals to 2 into 7 is 14 centimeter.
Okay. If I give you, listen, Nana, if I give you radius of 4 centimeters, so what will be the diameter, beta?
8, ma'am.
How, beta?
Ma'am, because always we have to do with 2 into 4, 2 into 7.
Okay, if I give you radius of 6 centimeters, what will be the diameter, beta?
Madam, 12.
12. Okay, Nana, thank you so much. Class for Sahasra.
Okay, ma'am.
CH Hasini. Hasini, hi.
Yes, ma'am.
Hasini, explain
Hi,
me about, yeah. Hi, Nana. How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine.
Okay. Can you explain me about polygon?
Ma'am.
Yeah, tell me, beta.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Hashini from 4th grade. My team name is Coordinator Girl. My activity is pen. My question is
Hasini, 1 minute.
Nana,
Hasini,
Nana, 1 minute. 1 minute, beta. Turn your mobile, Nana. Change the position of your mobile. Yes, okay. Yeah, now tell me what are polygons?
a polygon have any number of sides like triangle, square, rectangle, rhombus, etc.
Okay. Why those only coming under polygon, beta? Why only diamond, square are coming under polygon?
Why? Because a polygon with 4 sides is called quadrilateral.
Beta?
A
Polygon?
polygon with called quadrilateral.
What is quadrilateral? Okay, if I ask you to draw a circle,
Quadrilateral.
okay, if I ask you to draw a circle, what do you need to draw a circle? What are the things you need to draw a circle?
Ma'am, bangle.
Okay. Okay, fine. You
And-
need a bang. Okay, if you said you need a bangle to draw a circle, if I give you 6 centimeters, okay, and if I give you 6 centimeter as a number, and if I ask you to draw a circle, how you will draw better?
Ma'am, we need bangle and pencil.
Okay. Hasini.
Afterwards, we have to draw with bangle.
Yeah, how can you tell me whether it is correctly 6 centimeters to circle or not? Can you draw a circle using a bangle and can you tell me it's a 6 centimeters, Sunny? Will you be getting a correct
ma'am.
6 centimeter circle by using a bangle? Okay, fine, Hasini. Thank you, Nana.
No, ma'am.
Nana, okay, Nana. Claps for Hasini. Manaswini.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi, Manaswini. How are you?
How are you, ma'am?
Yeah. Nana, what is your group name?
My group name is Butterfly.
Why you have chosen
I'm a
group name as
Because
butterfly
butterfly
better?
is divided into equal parts.
Okay. If I give you bread, can you divide the bread into equal part?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is your question?
My question is, what is symmetry?
What is symmetry?
It's the shape of equal part.
Repeat again.
For example,
Come
butterfly.
back again. No. What is symmetry?
Symmetry means the shape or design divided into equal part.
Okay. If I give you a circle, can you divide into its equal part?
Yes, ma'am.
How many parts can you make in a circle, Nana?
2 parts, ma'am.
Can we make 4 parts in a circle?
Ma'am, no.
No.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, yes.
If I give you water bottle, can you make 2 parts?
Ma'am, yes.
Okay. What are the examples of symmetric, Nana?
Butterfly, leaf, and eagle.
Eagle. Can you explain me how eagle comes under symmetry?
Ma'am, because we will be cut.
How?
Ma'am, but with dotted lines.
See, you
Ma'am,
said,
with dotted lines.
okay, you said that symmetry means making the thing into equal part. How eagle will come under equal part?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me a few examples of symmetric? Not from the chart. Not from the
And
chart.
one more example is,
Hmm.
and one more example is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is also divided into equal part. So the dotted lines are called symmetrical lines. I hope you understand what is symmetric.
Nana, can you give me some examples from food items which are in symmetric?
Dosha,
Okay.
idli,
Hmm.
vada,
Okay.
Ma'am, pizza.
Okay.
Water bottle.
Yeah.
Box.
Okay, fine. Manaswini, I want to ask you one more question. See, if
Yes,
I
ma'am.
ask you to draw a circle, okay, what are the things you
Yes,
need to draw a circle?
Ma'am, compass, paper, and pencil.
Why can't you use a bangle to draw a circle?
Ma'am, with compass we can measure the length.
Length in the sense? How?
Ma'am, because
Hmm.
if the scale 1, 2, 3 is there, no ma'am. With compass
Okay.
we have to put near the number.
Okay. Okay, fine. Good girl. Thank you. Good, Nana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Claps for Manaswini. Shashi. Shashi Pritam. Shashi Pritam. Fine. Shashi Pritam is not there. Fine. Nana, we are moving to science group beta. So I want science students to be ready beta.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
are you there?
Yes, Nana. Just I was waiting for you. Nana, Mukund.
Yes, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, hi, Mukund. Good. Nana, how are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
Nana, what is your stall name, beta?
Ma'am,
What is your group name?
I'm science group.
You're from science group. Okay. What is your group install name?
Ma'am, gentle breeze.
What does gentle breeze mean?
Ma'am, air.
Air. Means you have mentioned like gentle breeze. What does gentle mean?
Ma'am, gentle.
Okay, fine. How can you make the air safe around you better?
Ma'am,
How do you make the air safe around you?
ma'am, do not cut the trees.
Okay, we should not cut the trees. Fine. What happens if we cut the trees?
Ma'am, we will not get oxygen.
Okay.
Ma'am, and we should eat vegetables, no, ma'am.
Okay.
And we should not cut plants also, ma'am.
Why we should not cut plants?
Ma'am, plants get flowers and fruits,
What are the
vegetables.
uses? Okay. What happens if we cut plants? I want to answer. You said we will not get oxygen. Fine. There are few more reasons why we should not cut the plants. Can you tell me how now is what we are breathing is a fresh and good air, or is it a polluted air we are breathing?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, we are breathing.
We are breathing fine. My question is, are we breathing fresh air, or are we breathing polluted air?
Ma'am, polluted air.
So to avoid polluted air, what are the things you can do?
Ma'am,
To avoid pollution in the society, what can you do?
Ma'am, can you repeat the answer?
Nana, to avoid the air becoming polluted, okay, what can you do?
Ma'am, I don't know.
You don't know?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Using a bicycle or using a bike is good.
Ma'am, bicycle.
Why?
Ma'am, pollution from bike.
Okay, if you use a bike, okay, pollution is coming. So what happens?
Ma'am,
If the pollution is coming from the bike, what happens?
ma'am, air will pollute.
Beta?
Air will pollute, ma'am.
Okay, to get rid of air pollution, what are the tips you can do it? Fine, Mukund. Thank you, Nana. Claps for Mukund, beta. Claps, all of you. Thank you, beta, Mukund.
Ma'am, excuse me. I'm
Yes,
Samta.
Yes, madam.
Madam, please give chance to Shashi Pritam.
Madam, sorry, we will give later, madam. Let me complete. Last, I'll call them, madam.
Okay.
I'll call. I'm marking who is getting chance, who is not getting chance. I'll take care of that.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, Samata, madam.
Okay.
Ashwant,
Ma'am. Good afternoon. Good evening, ma'am.
yeah, Nana. Good evening, beta.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. How are you, beta?
Fine, ma'am.
Yeah. Nana, what is your stall name?
What, ma'am?
What is your group name?
Ma'am, Gentle Breeze.
What do you mean by gentle breeze?
Ma'am, gentle means slow and breeze means air. So, slow moving air. Slow, our second lesson is our invisible friend. Invisible refers to air.
Okay. Nana, how can you take care of air?
Ma'am, by
How
not
can you make the
cutting
air
the-
safe?
Ma'am, by not cutting, I request to adults not smoke in public places.
Okay.
I walk or use a bicycle to travel short distance. I always carry a handkerchief for personal hygiene. I will not cut the trees.
Why you will not cut the trees?
Ma'am, if we cut the trees, trees will take dust part. Trees will take carbon dioxide and it will give fresh air.
Okay, what happens if you cut a tree?
Ma'am, if we cut the trees, only trees can take the carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen.
Okay, you said you will be using cycle instead of bike. Why?
Ma'am, because when we're riding a bike, the smoke is coming from the bike. When we ride a cycle, there will be no smoke and we will be fit and fine.
Okay, you said we should not smoke in public places. Why?
Ma'am, if we smoke in public places, the air will if it is there in the public places, the air will be dirty and a lot of people get smoke problems, air problems, breathing
But,
problems.
Can you tell me how it is affecting us, beta?
Ma'am, if the smoke, when we are breathing dirty air, we'll get some lung problems, lung diseases, a lot of we cannot breathe and we will be unwell.
Nana, last point is like we have to use handkerchief when we are sneezing. Why?
Ma'am,
Why we have to
when we
use
are
handkerchief?
Ma'am, when we are sneezing, the handkerchief will not allow the germs into the air.
Okay, why we have to use handkerchief, beta? But You can use dress also. No, when you are sneezing, you have hands, you have dress. But why you want to use handkerchief?
Ma'am, handkerchief is a small item to sneeze and we can cover the handkerchief. But if we sneeze in the dresses, we cannot cover and all numbers will laugh on us.
Okay, you can use hands also, no?
Ma'am, our hands will get dirty and we'll get skin problems also.
If you sneeze on your hands, you will get germs and it will get dirty.
Ma'am, it will get dirty and we'll get germs also.
How can you see germs?
We cannot see the germs, ma'am, but it will produce in the skin.
It will be produced on your skin.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, sneezing openly is good or sneezing using a handkerchief is good?
Ma'am, sneezing in handkerchief, ma'am.
Sneezing while using a handkerchief. Now,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Now, are we using, everyone is using handkerchief or how they are taking care of health, Nana, now?
Ma'am, nowadays a lot of people are not using handkerchief, but we are using mask. We can use handkerchief or mask to cover our nose and mouth. And mask and handkerchief will not allow the germs.
Okay, thank you,
taking care.
Besh. Very good. Thank you, Nana Yashwant. Clap for Yashwant. Good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Arjun. Arjun is not there. Sushant.
Yes, ma'am.
Sushant, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. But I can't see you in the list. Are you there? Yeah, Sushant. Okay. Hi, Sushant.
Hi, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Nana. Nana, how can you make the air around yourself safe and clean for everyone, Nana?
Ma'am, I will not cut trees and I will use bicycle to travel short distance and I will say to the adults not smoke in public areas.
What happens if they smoke in public areas?
Ma'am, all members will be and they will get smoke, lungs diseases, respiratory infection, respiratory diseases, ma'am.
Okay. How can you make the air clean, Nana? Can you tell me few tips?
Ma'am, I will grow more plants.
If you grow more plants, is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
If I cut the trees, what happens?
Ma'am, if we cut trees, we don't get oxygen, fruits and vegetables, ma'am.
There
Ma'am,
are
we didn't get fresh air also.
Okay. Still, what happens if you cut trees? On the
Ma'am,
earth, if
no.
there is no trees, what happens?
Ma'am, no water will be. If we don't have trees, it will not rain, ma'am.
It will not rain. So do you think rain and trees are important for us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Nana. Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Claps for Sushant. Good. Thank you, Sushant.
Thank you,
Chandu?
ma'am.
Yeah, beta. Chandu?
Myself, Chandrasekhar Reddy. I am from 4th Shakespeare. My topic is hot breeze. Today I am going to show one chart on the basis of a busy road. How do you feel when you walking on this road? I will feel uncomfortable when I walking on this road.
Why do you feel uncomfort while walking on this road, beta?
Ma'am, because the smoke is there on the road.
If smoke is there, you don't want to walk.
Ma'am, with mask I will walk.
If mask is not there, these many days we were not having mask. Do we have mask these many days? Few months back, do we have mask?
No, ma'am.
No. Then also we were going out. No. What happens if we are not wearing a mask?
Ma'am, diseases will come.
So how to overcome out of this beta? How
Ma'am,
can you overcome out of this air pollution?
ma'am, I will grow plants. I will use bicycle for a long distance. I will not cut trees. I will save plants.
Okay, if you save plants, what happens?
Ma'am, the smoke will be the smoke will be cleaned.
Very good. Okay, Nana. Thank you, Nana. Class for Chandu. Sharanya. Sharanya.
Huh?
Sharanya,
Yes, ma'am.
you are in a place, okay? Listen to me carefully. Sharanya, you are in a place where the air is totally filled with pollution. How can you help others, and what are the tips you can give to the public to clean the polluted air?
And I'll say the people don't smoke in the public area.
Sharanya,
Yes, ma'am.
Sharanya,
Plant more trees, ma'am.
if you plant more trees, what happens better?
Ma'am, the oxygen, ma'am.
Okay.
Oxygen will
Oxygen will be there. So what happens? If oxygen is there, it's okay.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah, at the back, there is one chart I can see. What is that? Can you explain that chart?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
The busy road, ma'am. The chart is about the busy road.
Okay, it's speaking about busy road. What do you mean by
Yes,
busy road?
Ma'am. Busy road is full of people, ma'am. Full of people in one area.
Okay, full of
Okay.
people with lots of vehicles. Okay,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
can see there is a auto. What are the vehicles are there? Can you tell me?
Ma'am, auto and bike, ma'am. Bike, cars.
Okay, auto is there, bike is there. Is it a cycle or a bike? In front of you, there is one black color. What is that? Is it a bike or cycle? Near
Bike,
your
ma'am.
hand. Bike. Okay. In this, yes. Which one is good? If you want to travel for a far off distance, which vehicle will you will use?
I use cycle, ma'am.
Why you want to use cycle better?
Because the pollution free, ma'am.
Better?
We use cycle, the dust pollution is free, ma'am.
Cycle will not make pollution. Do you mean that?
Yes,
Will not
ma'am.
create pollution. So how
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you so fine, you want to use cycle, no? What is the message you want to give to the parents uh, if you use a cycle?
Ma'am, can you tell once again?
If you use a cycle, okay, from that, What is the message you want to give to your parents and the society? Why you want to use a cycle?
Because ma'am, because it's pollution free, ma'am, and good for health, ma'am. Health and air pollution.
Okay, it's avoid air pollution and it is good for health. So you want to give a message to the parents. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, Nana.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Sharanya. Class for Sharanya. Spurti. Hi, Spurti. Nana, what is your group name, Spurti?
Ma'am, my group name is Cool Breeze.
What is your group name?
Cool Breeze, ma'am.
Cool Breeze. Why do you have mentioned like Cool Breeze as your group name?
Ma'am, because my topic is about fresh air. How do I make fresh air? So, my group name meaning is Cool Air, ma'am.
How can you make fresh air? How can, you said I can make fresh air. How can you create a fresh air better?
Ma'am, I will grow more plants. I will use a bicycle to travel short distance. I will carry a handkerchief for personal hygiene. I will not cut trees. I will request my family members to be a part of the carpool to their workplace. Thank you.
Okay. How can you reduce air pollution, Nana?
Ma'am, by when we are using a bicycle to travel short distance, the bicycle it will not get any smoke. So that why we can reduce our air pollution, ma'am.
Okay. What are the 4 ways, Nana?
Ma'am, I will grow more plants. I will use a bicycle to travel short distance. I will not cut the trees. I will carry a handkerchief for personal hygiene. I
See,
will
most-
remember family
Most of
members.
them,
Ma'am,
most of them, they will cut the trees. What happens if they cut the trees?
ma'am, we will not get oxygen.
Okay. What happens still?
Ma'am, we got not get oxygen and we will die.
Okay. Inka?
Ma'am,
What else, Nana? If we cut the trees, what happens?
ma'am, we will not get fruits for eating and we will especially will not
See?
get oxygen.
Okay. If there is no plants and trees on the earth and there are many vehicles on the earth, how the earth will be?
We will all get respiratory infections, respiratory diseases, breathing problems, all will be messy on the earth.
All will be?
Messy on the earth.
Acha, you feel like the earth will be messy. Okay,
Yes,
fine. So to avoid all this, we have to
ma'am, we have to grow more plants. We have to use a bicycle to travel short distance.
okay. Thank you, Spurti. Claps for
Thank you.
Spurti. Yeah, Ujjwala Rupa.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Ujjwala Rupa.
Aisha madam.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Only 2 minutes left. Are we going for another session?
Yes, sir. Because we have to cover up social subject is left over.
How many children are left?
Sir, more.
I'm listening to you all. I'm not talking, but I'm listening to everybody. That's good.
9
Go ahead,
students,
madam.
9
I'll
to
be
10.
there.
9 to 12 students are left over, sir.
Yeah, at the end I'll address. At the end I'll address, right?
Okay, sir.
Okay, madam, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Yes, for Ujjwala Rupa.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, how are you?
Fine, ma'am.
Okay, what is your group name, beta?
Ma'am, air bloss.
Air Bloss.
Yeah,
What is
ma'am.
air bloss, beta?
Ma'am, ma'am, blows means, ma'am, like, we blow, ma'am.
Okay, A gets bloom. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Nanak, here, what is the activity marked in red color in air pollution? So you are going to talk about more about air pollution. So what is air pollution, Nana?
Ma'am, ma'am, dust particles are formed in air is called air pollution, ma'am.
Actually, which things are creating more air pollution, Nana?
Ma'am,
Hmm?
ma'am, once repeat question, ma'am.
Nana, which are the things that are creating more air pollution in our society, Nana?
Ujjwala, good evening, beta. I think Ayesha madam, yeah, good evening, beta. How are you?
Fine.
Yes, session is going to come to an end. We'll come back again. We'll join back. Okay.
Nana, join back by within 5 minutes, beta.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.